Shri Gurubhyo Namaga. Hello kids. Today let us solve the multiplication story sums and also revise how to write statements. Let us see an example. RF used 32 marigold flowers to make a garland. How many flowers will he need to make 25 such garlands? RF used 32 marigold flowers to make a garland. Children, you have to find how many flowers will he need to make 25 garlands. Children, first you have to write the statement. Number of flowers used to make one garland is equal to 32. Number of garlands to be made is equal to 25. Children, you have to find number of flowers needed to make 25 garland. So you have to do multiplication. 32 into 25. So number of flowers needed is equal to 32 into 25. Children, you should do multiplication to get the answer. Children, first you have to write 32 in one row, then write multiplication symbol, then write 25 in another row, then draw a line. Children, you have to multiply the multiplicand, that is 32, by the 1 digits of multiplier 5. You have to multiply the multiplicand 32 by the 1's digit of multiplier 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Children, you should regroup 10 as 1 tens and 0 ones. Children, you should regroup 10 as 1 tens and 0 ones. You have to write 0 in the ones place and 1 will go as a carry to the tens place. Now 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is equal to 15, plus you should add the carry 1 with 15, so you will get 16. So write 16 there. 160 is the first partial product. 160 is the first partial product. 160 is the first partial product. Children, now you have to multiply the multiplicand 32 by the tens digit of multiplier 2. Children, as the digit 2 is in the tens place, actually you have to multiply 32 by 20, since 2 is in the tens place. So you have to write 0 in the ones place. Then you should multiply the multiplicand 32 by the tens digit of multiplier 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. That is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So you write 6 there. Children, 640 is the second partial product. 640 is the second partial product. Children, you have to add the first partial product and second partial product to get the answer. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Write 0 and the 1 will go as a carry over. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. The answer will be 800. So 800 flowers will be needed to make 25 garland. The answer is 800. Let us solve another example for multiplication story sums. Children, there are 84 balloons in a packet. There are 84 balloons in a packet. How many balloons will there be in 48 such packets? Children, to find the answer, you should do multiplication. To find the answer, you should do multiplication. First, you have to write the statements. Number of balloons in a packet is equal to 84. Number of packets is equal to 48. Children, you have to find number of balloons in 48 packets. So you should do multiplication. So that is equal to 84 into 48. You should find the answer by doing multiplication. Children, you should write 84 in one row, then you write multiplication symbol, then you write 48 in another row. Draw a line. First you have to multiply the multiplicand, that is 84, by the ones digit of multiplier 8. So 4 into 8. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. Regroup 32 as 3 tens and 2 ones. So you have to write 2 in the ones place and 3 will go as a carry to the tens place. 8 into 8. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 64 plus the carry over 3 is equal to 67. So you have to write 67 here. 672 is the first partial product. 672 is the first partial product. 672 is the first partial product. Now you have to multiply the multiplicand 84 by the tens digit of multiplier 4. Since 4 is in the tens place, actually you are multiplying 84 by 40. So you have to write 0 below 2 of the first partial product. You have to write 0 below 2 of the first partial product. Then now 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So you have to write 6 here and the 1 will go as a carry. 1 will go as a carry to the tens place. Now 4 into 8. 4 into 8 is equal to 32. 32 plus the carry over 1 will give 33. So you have to write 33 here. 3360 is the second partial product. Second partial product. 3360 is the second partial product. Now children, you have to add the first partial product and second partial product to get the answer. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So write 3 here. 1 will go as a carry. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So write 0 here. 1 will go as a carry. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So 4032 is the answer. The answer is 4032. There will be 4032 balloons in 48 packets. Today we have learnt multiplication story sums. Children, please practice at home. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.